Okay, so may I get your candidate ID, please? Thank you. Okay, so this is a reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by ITP to assess the level of the candidate. My name is Guneet Kaur and I am here to conduct the speaking of the candidate number M0041331 and the name is Deshraj Singh. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's your full name?
My name is Deshraj Singh.
How may I call you?
You may address by my first name, that is Deshraj.
Okay. Do you think that your name has a special meaning?
Yes, ma'am, my name is look like an Russian one, so it is difficult to pronounce, so somebody is more, it's the first time.
Okay. So where are you from?
I belong to Ludhiana district with the famous one place of Punjab state.
Okay. So what is your hobby?
My hobby is regarding to learning judgments passed by the Honorable High Court as well as the Supreme Court.
Okay. And do you think that your hobbies have changed since childhood?
Yes, ma'am, because my background studies law, I recently done my LLB and enrolled as an advocate and practicing as a High Court Chandigarh. So my hobbies journals and judgment passed by High Court as well as Supreme Court.
Okay. And why did you choose that subject?
Ma'am, after my graduation, I have to become a judge. So that's why I choose that profession. And recently I done, and now I preparation for my judiciary.
Okay. Do you use dictionary?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes I use.
Okay. And what do you think, that paper dictionary is better or electronic dictionary?
Paper dictionary I prefer too much. That is a field that you are something read. But online you can't be feel that something you are reading, or you can't make a more interest in that field.
Okay. And do you keep dictionary along with you every day?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes whenever I am able to carry, I always try to carry with myself.
Okay. Do you like shopping?
Yes, ma'am. Sometimes I like shopping whenever a new festival is coming, special occasion. So I'm looking for a shopping.
Okay. And do you prefer online shopping or offline shopping?
Sometimes when I have no much time to market and do visit, so sometimes in the night whenever I get time to online go through, but I really prefer as a offline shopping. So you can go and you can check the quality and the quantity also.
Okay. Would you like to play sports or you like to watch sports? Do you like to play sports or do you like to watch sports?
I love play sports.
Okay. Do you like to wear hats?
No, ma'am. I'm not much interested about it.
Okay. So this is the end for your part 1. Now it's time for your part 2, in which you will be given a cue card and with some questions. You will have 1 minute to prepare for it and then 2 minutes to speak on that topic. Okay. So you can also use the notepad and pencil if you want to make notes. So here is your topic. And your time starts now. Okay, start please.
The time happened in the past is very memorable time in the present. So here I would like to share my personal experience. It is a day when I enrolled as an advocate on the 14th August 2021, and it is a very biggest and important day for my life. It is a very memorable. When I entered for a stage, I was going there, and my friend and my family also sitting in front of me on the stage on chairs. And when I got the degree from the Bar Council of Chairman, Punjab and Haryana High Court, everybody claps and smiled at me. So it's feel at that time I personally felt very much proud of myself. Everybody is clapped for me and they are smiling to watching me. So this is a honor time for me. And after when I downstairs after got my degree, and they everyone to shake with me and they are saying some but with advocate or prefer for that much, and they and my parents and my grandparents also wishes to me for keep it up in this profession and got much about the judiciary as well.
So that's all for your part 2. Now I will ask you some questions. Now let's talk about smiling. What are the most common things that make people smile?
When a person feels some happiness, so it shows some smile that he's agree with you, and his expression also that he's prefer to you something for.
Okay. Do you think people who smile are more friendly?
Yes, the people is smiling is very intact person to each other, and whenever someone is smiling to you, he want to be interested with you and he want to be make some interaction with you.
Okay. Why do you think certain jobs require you to smile and be more presentable?
There is a lot of profession. You have to catch something and you have to interact the person. Like there is many field, IELTS field, the teacher staff have to very silent job and very patience level they much have. And
Okay. Why do you think the smiling pose is so common in photos?
smiling face now attract to everyone, and everybody like to be someone is watching, someone is smiling to you, and he likes to hear anything can be happen he likes.
Okay. How do you feel when children smile?
When children smile, it just give you happiness first of all, and everyone wants to play with children, but real of the time they are not able to interact and only with her mother and the family member they feel comfortable with them. But whenever you found any children or child is smiling, so it's a very good thing.
Okay. Do you think a smile can give a good impression to another person?
Sure, I definitely believe this. A smile can be, make a relationship even better.
Okay. So that's all for your speaking test. Thank you so much.
Should I leave?
Yes, please.